So since we are discussing about financial market, let us see what commercial paper is. I think we have seen this in an earlier chapter, but nevertheless, since the discussion has come up again, let us revise it. Commercial paper is an unsecured money market instrument. Okay, it's issued in the form of a promissory note. It was introduced in 1990 in India to enable highly rated corporate borrowers to diversify their short-term borrowings. Because prior to this, if companies, even good quality, high-rated companies wanted to borrow funds, they had to rely only on banks. Now with this option, there is an additional avenue for companies to borrow funds. Okay, so who can issue commercial paper? Primarily, primary dealers and all India financial institutions are also permitted, besides companies, to meet their short-term funding requirements. This is for meeting short-term funding requirements, because the maturity is only between 7 days to up to maximum of 1 year. Okay, so who are eligible to issue commercial paper? There are some criteria. So a corporate will be eligible to issue a CP, provided the tangible net worth as per the related balance sheet is not less than 4 crores. The company has been sanctioned limits, working capital limits by banks or financial institutions, and it is classified as a standard asset. Okay. And then there should be some minimum credit rating, that is A2. And the maturity, as we discussed, it will be between 7 days to 1 year. And the denominations in which CP is issued is 5 lakhs and multiples of 5 lakhs. So in interviews, they can ask you what is meant by commercial paper, what is the purpose is for meeting short-term funding requirements, and what is the eligibility. Eligibility we have seen. What is the eligibility? Net worth minimum 4 crores. It has to be sanctioned some working capital, already existing working capital limits from banks, standard account, and minimum credit rating of A2.